look at the money.
I have 140.
Mm-hmm. Plus 200.
200. And this one, Sasa. I know this is from Bill. This one is another birthday. Let's see now that makes you very happy, I hope. Happy birthday, Shasha from Jim.
Hmm.
And
Jim the Ladder Man.
the Ladder Man. And this one is from Floor and Bill. I believe it's on your birthday. And this one, Shasha. When you're old, your butt cheeks droop, your knees get stiff, it's tough to poop. You eat at 4 zeros to see go back. Good thing you're young, because that would suck. Happy birthday. Marilu. She gives me money. And this one, I believe this is from Jean. God, a lot of. Remember when grown ups and glamorous, when people say thank you and please, when moms call their kids,